Sit in Sukhasana position. Sit in Sukhasana. Please go back on the mat. Keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. Go back, Tanmay. Go back on the mat. Go back. Take your mat backward. Take your mat backward. Mat, take your mat backward. We'll start with the prayer. Inhale. Take both the arms over your head. Join at the top. Exhale to center of your heart. Close your eyes. Inhale again. Together. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Inhale, take the hand straight up through the center. Exhale, bring it down through the sides. Loosening practices. First, you can lie down in Shavasana position. After lying down, keep both legs together, hands close to the body. Inhale and point your toes forward. Exhale, point your toes backward. Inhale front. Exhale back. Inhale front. Exhale back. Inhale front. Exhale back. One more. Inhale, point your toes. And exhale, pull back. Now rotate the feet. 1, 2, all directions. 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, bend both the legs. Keep the feet close to the hips on the mat. Inhale, stretch your left leg up. Point the toe. Exhale, bend it. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, bend and keep it. Inhale, left. Exhale, bend. Inhale, right. Exhale, bend. Inhale, left. Exhale, bend. Inhale, right. And exhale, bend. Both together. Inhale, both the legs up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 2. Exhale, bend. Inhale, 3. Exhale, bend. Keep it on the mat. Inhale, 4. Exhale, bend. One more. Inhale, 5. And exhale, bend. Inhale, spread the arms sideways. Keep it shoulder level. Exhale, tilt the knees to the left side. Look at your right hand. Inhale, bring it up. Look at the sky. Exhale, tilt to the right. Look at the left hand. Inhale, up. Look up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale to Shavasana. Hand down and leg down. Now inhale, take both the legs around 30 degrees towards the sky. Exhale, bend your left leg, touch in on the knee. Change to right leg. Left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. One more time. Left leg and right leg. Inhale, head down. Exhale, release the leg. Now inhale, take both the arms over the head. Keep it on the ground. Exhale your breath. Keep your legs together. Point your toe. Inhale, take the left leg up 90 degree. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, left leg 90 degree. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg and exhale, down. Now both together. Inhale, up. Both the leg together up. Exhale, down. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, 5. Maintain this position for some time. 1. Look at the toe. 2. 3. Your leg should be straight, hand should be straight. 4. 5. Breathe normally. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Exhale, bring both the legs down. Now inhale, bend your left leg. On exhalation, turn to the ground. Lie down on the stomach. After lying down, keep both the palm by the chest. Keep the legs together. Now inhale, lift your chest. Lift it whatever possible. Exhale, down. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. You can observe gradually I am improving the height. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Last one, inhale, 5. Now stay there for some time. 1, arch your back. 2, don't keep the neck down. Keep the neck up. 3, 4, arch your back. 5. Exhale and go down. Now inhale, stand on the knees and hands. Like a table position. Exhale, turn to the front. To turn around. After turning, keep the finger wide open. Keep the knees also apart. Knees, legs a little apart. Now Marjariasana. Inhale, stretch the left arm front, right leg back. Front and back, you stretch. Exhale, elbow on the knee. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, take your leg also up. Exhale. One more. Inhale, stay for a while. 1, 2, hand up. 3, 4, leg also up. 5. Exhale, elbow on the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to cat position. Exhale the breath. Then legs knee should be little apart. Inhale, 1, other side. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. One more. 5. Stay for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to cat position. Exhale, sit in Vajrasana. After Vajrasana, I'll turn forward so that you can observe. Keep silent mode. Sitting in Vajrasana, bring the hands on the eyes. Open your eyes, rotate your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Release your hands to Dhyana Mudra. Inhale, look at the nose. Exhale, 1 point. On the back straight, Tanmay. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. Inhale, nose. Exhale, wall. One more. Inhale, nose. Stay there, normal breathing. Just about 5 numbers. Looking at the nose. Then exhale, look at the wall. Again, little time, focus on 1 point. After that, bring both the arms in front, parallel to ground. Fist close, open, spread it, close, spread, close, spread, close, spread, close, spread, drop, palm drop, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, fist close, rotate the wrist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands on shoulder, straight forward. Fold, straight. Fold, straight. Fold, straight. Fold, straight. One more. Fold, straight. Fold your arm, touch your elbow. Rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, look forward. 3, when the elbow goes up, your chin should not go down. 4, chin straight. 5. Interlock your finger. Inhale, stretch your arm to the sky. Parvatasana, straight back. 1, sit properly. I didn't ask you to stand up on the knees. Tanmay. 2, back straight. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, sit to one side. Exhale, unlock the legs forward. Keep your hands back, shake the legs. Little time. Come illi bannilla. Take one mat. Huh? Last loosening practice, forward bending. Mat. Inhale, take your hands up. Stretch the body forward, upward. Exhale, try to touch your toe. Inhale, up again. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Point the toe when you come up. Point it. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Point your toe. Exhale, point it backward. One more. Inhale, 5. So you have to stretch your hand up. Otherwise, it will not Don't sit like this. Bring the chest up. So the back will come front. Exhale down. Now stay there for some time. 1. Try to pull the body front. First look at the toe. Toe. 2. Yeah. Stay forward. 3. Catch side of the leg. Side of the feet. Side. 4. Now straighten your knee. Straighten the knees. Last moment, put your head down. 5. Then inhale, sit up, lift your hands. Point your toe. Exhale, hands down. Loosening over. We're going to Surya Namaskar practice. Any doubts in loosening? Anybody? Who is there in the class? No. If you don't doubt, don't talk. Go back. Tanmay, go back, back. I don't want you to come here. Simply he comes to computer always. He's coming to show no doubts. He'll throw thumbs up and all. Who all are there? Let me see. Swati, Anshuman, Deepa, Himasri, Tanmay, Vedant. Okay, I think Smita. Now going to do Surya Namaskar. Nobody has any doubts? Anybody doubts? You talk, okay? Don't chat and all. Unmute your speaker and talk. That's how you have to ask doubt. Surya Namaskara now. Samasthiti. Together, hands tight. So little gap should be there. From the front of the mat, keep 1 palm distance always. 1 palm distance should be there before you start Surya Namaskar. Big toe should be touching. The big toe. These 2 fingers should touch. That is called the big toe. Standing straight with the back straight. Don't keep expand your chest, keep your shoulders rolled back. Inhale, take both the arms over the head. Exhale to heart center. Close your eyes. Inhale again. Together. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushanna pavrano satya dharmaya drishtaye. Inhale, open the eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. Now onwards, breathing change. Breathing will be with sound, ujjayi. The sound will come like this. Unless you get that sound, you're on the wrong track. Try to learn that style of breathing. Looking at the nose, start. So I'll be talking, so my breath will not be correct because I'm talking. So 2 or 3 rounds, I'll talk. We will do at least 4 to 6 rounds. Ekam, inhale, bend back. Dvi, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, left leg back. Chatwari, exhale, other leg also. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale, go down on the mat. Sapta, inhale, lift your chest. Ashta, exhale, lift your back. Nava, inhale, left leg forward. Arch your back. Dasha, exhale the right leg. Ekadasha, inhale, stand up. द्वादश. Exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Repeat the mantra. Namaha. Second round. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Exhale. Krani. Inhale right leg. Chatwari. Pancha. Inhale knee down. Exhale sit. Shat. Inhale stand on the knee. Exhale Ashtanga. Sapta. Inhale chest up. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale right. Dasha. Exhale. Ekadasha. Inhale. Dvadasha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Repeat. Namaha. Third round. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Trini left. Chatwari. Panja. Shat. Sapta. Ashta. Nava right. Sorry, I think it's the left leg. Dasha right. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Ekam. Dvi. Trini right. Chatwari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashta. Nava right. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Fifth round. Ekam. Dvi. Trini left. Chatwari. Pancha. Shat. Sapta. Ashta. Nava left. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Sixth round. Ekam. Dvi. Trini right. Chatwari. Pancha. Shat. Ashta. Navarite. Dasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, take the hands up. Exhale, hands down. Drishti, where is Drishti? I cannot see you directly. Here. Drishti atare irbodu. Now, Ashtanga Surya Namaskara 2 rounds. After that, any questions we can discuss. Samastiti. Ashtanga Surya Namaskara, no bending back, in all the hand movements sideways. Back straight, gazing on the nose. 2 rounds, okay? Ekam, inhale, hands up. Look at the thumb. Dvi, exhale, bend. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, step back, exhale, go down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, chest up. Shat, exhale. Stay there for 5 breaths. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Sapta, step front both the legs. Inhale, head up. Head up, head up, head up. Ashta, exhale, head on the knee. Nava, inhale, stand up, hands up. Look to thumb. Samastiti, exhale. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Last round. Ekam, inhale. Dvi, exhale. Trini, inhale, head up. Only fingertip touch. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Pull the body forward. Shat, exhale. 5 breaths. Inhaling. Exhaling. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Sapta, step front, inhale, head up. Ashta. Nava, inhale, stand up, hands up. Samastiti. Om Mariche Namaha. Keep your legs away, close your eyes. That's all what we should do. Just spread your legs and close your eyes. Now, any doubts, anybody regarding Surya Namaskara or 2 styles of Surya Namaskara we did? Anybody who have doubts can ask. If you also have any doubts, you can ask. ನಿಮ್ದು 2-3 ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು when you are putting the, see how I am bending forward. See, lower back ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ತರ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Try to concave. ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆ ತರ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. So lead with the navel first, chest second, head last. First stomach ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ chest ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then finally the head comes. That is how bending forward. From here also. Bend like that. Then don't keep hand in front. If you keep hand front, then see, wrong. Keep hand here. So you have to bring the hand, when you bring the hand down, keep align with your hand and with your feet, like that. Then when I say inhale, head up. Alle nodadalla. So you should lift your inhale, head up, concave back. See the back? Did you see that? Concave back. Extend your spine. Chatwari. Step back. Exhale, go down. And resist model time slowly nododu. ಪಂಚ ನೋಡಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್. ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಮೇಲೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್. Push like that. So how that action comes. Then in your case, you are spreading elbow like this. Keep elbow straight. Something like this you are doing. Keep the elbow straight. सीधा रखना है. जब कभी भी आएगा सीधा रखना है. Like that. Don't bend it. Show me that position. Knee straight position. Straight elbow. Push. Spring finger, nodi finger wide open. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, legs together. Sit back. Full sitting. You full sitting ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Full sitting. Buttocks has to touch the leg. The buttocks should touch the heel. Full back ಹೋಗಿ. Full back ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿ. ಇವಾಗ hand stretch. Wide finger. Inhale, come up on the knee. Cat. Don't change focus position. Stand your toe. Exhale, chest front. You have to keep your chest front of your wrist, not here. Keep front. Now slip the toe. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ gap. Inhale, chest up. Lift the knee. Manukal hava. Toe, full sleeping toe. Pull the body forward. Now exhale. Now inhale. Take one leg front. Any one leg front. Take the leg forward. Where did you keep? Check the finger. No. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಪಾದ ನೋಡಿ. ಪಾದ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ. ಇನ್ನು still front. Now put the other knee down. Chin up. This is alignment. All the finger alignment. If you draw one line, all the fingers same line. Not here. Drag it like that. Exhale, other leg also. Align. Head down. Inhale, stand up. Keep, no, come. Your hand was like why going like this? Keep it straight, no? Parallel. Bend. Look back. Exhale. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. Like that, you have to bring, okay? Any doubts, anybody? Any doubts in Surya Namaskar? We did 6 plus 2 rounds. 6 rounds, what is the name of Surya Namaskara? Two type Surya Namaskara ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾವು today. One is Soham, first. Second one is Ashtanga A. Ashtanga Surya Namaskara A, type A. Anybody online, any doubts, please clarify. Otherwise, we are going to asana practices.
No doubt. Then Udyana Bandha Agnisara Kriya, any doubts? Udyana Bandha Agnisara Kriya. First, that is keeping the knees slight bend. Elbow straight. Why elbow is going bending? You are having tendency to don't do. So keep the inner elbow facing front. Keep it straight. Back should be taking the hand should be taking the weight. So if you leave the hand, no, just see. If I leave the hand, I'll fall. So I'm keeping the hand loaded with the back free. Back is free. Then inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Stomach pull. ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಹೇಲೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಸೌಂಡೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. In between you inhale. See, his sound is coming, no? Like that sound will come. Second round, knee straight. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Stomach pull. Hmm. 15 seconds, correct. Okay, you have to count 15 numbers. Bend the knee. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Don't bend like this. Keep it only little. Now Agnisara Kriya. 15 seconds you have to count, okay? Inhale. Tongue use illa. Adariಲ್ಲ. Only lips. Don't use tongue. You should not get this sound. Not like that. Only mouth. Lips should form a circle. O shape ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. O shape ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When you say say O. That like that you have to keep the lips. Again, start pumping. You don't inhale after that. You inhaled. You don't inhale after that. Again do it. Keep the knee straight now. Knee straight. Again inhale. Exhale. Tongue sound ಬರಬಾರದು. Start. Fifteen seconds over. Last round. Again bend the knee. Udyana to standing. Stand up. Inhale first. Exhale, hands down. Now, any doubts? Udyana Agnisara. Now, standing asanas. First, turn this side. Keep mat properly, no? Face like this. First, Parshva Konasana, Parivarta Parshva Konasana, Samasthiti. Starting from your left side. Any doubts, you look, okay? Looking at one point. First, take an inhalation. See, that inhale is important. So, that inhale should be deep. Full. Ekam exhale. Exhale aitu. Inhale agilla. Now inhale, turn. Inhalation over. Knee straight. Knee bending illa. Knee straight ಮಾಡಿ. knee straight. Knee straight ಮಾಡಿ. Straight ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Bend ಇಲ್ಲ. Straight. Wait. Straight ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪೇನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. You have to straighten the knee. First you have to straighten the knee. ನೀವು ಈಗ you are keeping like this. Keep it straight. Okay, I will show this side. So this is, first is inhalation, now exhalation. Sorry, inhalation. Now see, the distance is important. Exhale, bend the knee, keep the hand down. See this angle, full 90 degree. So you have to keep this 90 degree. Keep your hand down, full hand. Chatwari, inhale, stretch the hand, other hand. On the ear, keep it on the ear. Look at the hand. Look at your hand. Kai mele nodbeku. Tale down. Tale ee tara. Exhale. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Inhale. 3. Exhale, hand back. Kai back barabodu. That is pancha. Ille. Shut. Inhale, stand up. Look to the left. Knee straight. Now exhale, turn to front. Inhale, right leg turn. Full knee straight. Exhale, bend the knee. Keep the hand fully down. Then inhale, stretch the arm. Now same way, 3 breaths. Make a good straight line. 1. 2. 3. Exhale, hand back. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, turn to other side. Full body turn. Knee straight. Exhale, bend the knee, keep the right hand on the left hand on the right side for you. No. See. Shivam, see? Keep it armpit, other leg straight. Armpit on the thigh. Keep the hand other side. Try to keep the 90 degree. No, other heel should not lift. Other heel should be on the floor. Then inhale, take the other hand, stretch it on the ear. Like that. Then stay there, 3 breaths. One. 2. 3. Exhale, hand back, which right hand. Then inhale, stand up. Shoulder facing that side. Shoulder eye side. Full shoulder. Exhale, turn. Turn front. Inhale, other leg, other side turn. Exhale, bend the knee, keep the other hand on the other side. So keep the armpit. Then inhale, stretch the upper hand. Exhale. Parivarta Parsha Konasana. 1. 2. 2, 3. Exhale, hand back. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, turn. Inhale, walk inside. Exhale, jump to the front. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಇಷ್ಟೇ 3 feet. 3 feet walk inside. Exhale. No, turning and jumping. Turn ಮಾಡಿ. Turn and jump to front. Okay. Now, some of the important points of this asana. First important point is asana is not like this. You're wrong. So keep the head below, not like this. Turn. Got it? Thale down. Head is on the down of the hand. Not like this. This is wrong. Rotate your body. This is the position. This should be 90 degree, not like this. Some people are doing like this and all. Keep 90 degree. 90 degree. Like that. Other thing, for twisting, when you're twisting, so you can take the heel up backside. Bring the hand this side, so that hand has to cross. Keep it here. Then keep the other leg back. Somebody had asked that question. Muthuraman is there? Muthuramnathan? Are you there? He's not there only, I think. He's not there? So the question he had was, I'll explain the question. So he's not able to raise the hand here. He's like this. So what you have to do, lift the back heel, turn. पीछे का जो पैर है थोड़ा सा उठा के ये आर्म पिट ऐसे लेके आओ, कीजिए ऐसा. फिर उस होने के बाद ये पीछे वाला पैर ऐसा रखो. हाँ. Now take the other heel, put it back. Try. Take your left hand that side. You bend ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀಯೇ bend ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. How will you do the asana? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ distance ಕಮ್ಮಿ. Keep your leg here. Enough. Now bend the knee properly. ಇನ್ನು bend ಮಾಡಿ. Now keep the hand that side. Rotate. Like that. Now hand like that. Like that you have to twist your body. So twisting asana. Armpit thigh ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Your armpit has to, after that now you put your heel back. Like that. So this armpit, ಕೈಯೋಡ armpit ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, armpit has to come on the thigh in this asana. So it will twist the body like that. Okay? That is the important point of this asana. Then that was Parshakonasana, Parivarta Parshakonasana. Next, Natarajasana. Natarajasana is there. Samasthiti. Look at one point. Inhale, left leg back, right hand up. Left leg, which is your left leg? Left leg, yavadu? Right hand up. Exhale, bend forward. Take the leg up. Look at one point. Don't lean forward. 1. 2. Take the leg up. 3. 3 inhale, stand up. Chatwari exhale. See, position perfect. Don't keep. When you return, you have to check. Correct bandide illa. Second one, ekam. See, I'm not looking anywhere else. And dvi. Inhaling. One. Two. Three. Inhale. Exhale. Sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Breathing. His sound is coming. Sound. Breathing with sound. That sound should come. Then, any doubt? Natarajasana. Anybody having any doubt, please talk. Otherwise, assume no doubt. Then, Pada Angushtasana. Samastiti. Ekam. See, where is the inhalation? Show me again inhalation, both of you. Inhale. Where is the sound? No sound only. Sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. My sound you hear. Why that sound is not coming? Exhale. Now everybody inhale again. Exhale, bend forward. Hook the toe. Hook. How to hook? No, hook illa. Two finger. Use these two finger. These. Wait. Remove the finger first. Remove the finger. Now insert it between the first two finger. Insert it and hook it. See, when you go slow, you understand what is the problem. Okay. If you are not able to reach, bend the knee. No problem. Salpa knee bend madi. So this is ekam, bending forward and hooking. Now do inhale, head up. Head up. Look at my back. Look at my back. Knee straight, knee straight. Head up. You have to concave the back. Back noditiya. Can you see my back? Head up, shoulder up. That much has to come. Then exhale, head between the knees. Try to put between the knees. Stay there. Inhale. Elbow bend madi. Elbow. Exhale. One. Inhale. Exhale. Two. One more. Three. Now inhale, head up again. Head up, full up, full up. Now while you exhale, insert your palm below the feet. Below. Swalpa bend madi knee, no problem. But insert it. Okay? And now inhale, head up again. Head up. Up means down. Up means up. Head up. Then exhale, head down. Even stay there. 3 breaths. Breathing with sound. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, head up. Elbow straight barabodu. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, jump. Padangushtasana, Padahastasana. So both of you, inhale is not enough. Inhale is small. So even in that position, focus on inhalation. See, when I'm breathing. So when I'm here. So when I say inhale, head up. Full breath. Not half. There is space in the lungs, but you have to find out where is that inhalation space. So exhale, hook the toes. Inhale, head up. Full inhalation. Exhale. Like that. So here also when you inhale, release the stretch a little. Like little. So that how to release the stretch little and inhale fully. Without inhalation you cannot exhale. अल्लाह पूरा सांस नहीं लोगे तो कहां से सांस छोड़ेगा? पूरा सांस लेना चाहिए. Try. ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್. ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಪ್. Now exhale head down. Down, full down. एल्बो ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ वाइड ಮಾಡಿ. थोड़ा एल्बो वाइड करो. एल्बो तो बेंड करी. एल्बो बेंड करना है इसमें. शरीर नीचे जाना चाहिए. Pull the body down. Like that. Again inhale head up. Elbow straight, elbow straight. Exhale, insert your hand. Kaiyu below. Put your hand below the feet. Below the feet. Again, wait. Now inhale, head up again. Now exhale, head down. Straighten the knees. Both the knees should become straight. Stay for some time. 3 breaths. Count your breaths.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Just a second.
Sir, without bending the knee, I am not able to insert the hand and the thing. Is it okay to bend the knee little?
Yeah, that is fine. Initially, you can bend the knee. While you put your hand, bend the knee initially.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, I'll just, who is that?
Uma.
Who is that?
Uma, sir.
Uma, okay. So, when you bend the knee, so you will easily reach, right? When you're reaching, right, Uma?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, yeah, you bend the knee and reach initially. Then inhale, head up. So when you inhale, head up, try to keep the knee bent little. And while you exhale and go down, when you bend the body down, at that time, try to, as much as possible, straighten the knee. At that time, initially let it be bent, inhale, head up. Then when you are exhaling, bend forward, bending the head down, that time try to, from this position, try to slowly straighten the knee and bring it straighter and straighter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Same way when you insert also, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ initially bend the knee, we'll insert. Then inhale, head up. That time the knee will be bending. When you exhale and bend forward, putting the head down, try to, from this position, try to keep on straightening it. Like that. Okay? जब bend नीचे करोगे, वो time पे try to straighten the knee. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Then standing asana all over. 5 asanas we did. Then sitting asana. First come to Samasthiti. See, Samasthiti, see, important. See, you are sitting like this. See, you have to push the ground, straighten your back. Keep, दोनों हाथ यहाँ पे साइड में रहेगा, पीछे नहीं जाएगा. पीछे आएगा तो bend होगा. Keep the back straight, keeping the hand side of the body. Finger should be wide open, pointing the toe. That is Samasthiti. But don't lift your hips. The hips should be grounded. Back should become straight. Your stomach will get in, chest will come up. Expand and shoulders will become out. Okay, now Marichiyasana. Ekam, I will show this leg. Inhale, bend the left leg. Keep it close to the body. Okay, inhalation. This is inhalation. While exhaling, bring the left hand in front of your left leg. Samne, keep it front. This side hogite. You're keeping like this. Keep it outward. Bahar nikalo. Now inhale, take the other hand back, catch the finger at the back. Try to catch the finger at the back. तो ये हाथ आगे से जाएगा, ये हाथ पीछे से आएगा. That is inhalation. फिर exhale, bend forward, chin on the right knee. like that. ಈ ತರ ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ. You have to bend forward. See, that's the problem. See, in our mind, we have to program. This is not bending. This is bending. Chin up. Otherwise, you will not improve. Go down. Looking at the toe. Inhale. Exhale. 1. 2. 3. Pancha inhale, sit up. Shut exhale. Your breath is confused. See, you're focusing more on the action. Your breath is gone. That's the problem. See, here come inhale. Exhale, bring your hand in front. Keep it front. See how he's keeping. You're keeping like this. Keep it here now. Bring your shoulder front. You have to use your brain. Without brain, how will you practice? So that is exhalation. Then inhale, take the hand back. Try to catch it at the back. Smita is there. Smita Ramtekar. You are confused in the morning. If you are there, say yes. Otherwise, I assume you are not there. Inhale, interlock your finger. And exhale, bend forward. See, drishti सामने की तरफ, सामने की तरफ. A bit on the thigh, like that. Bend. Look on. I'll not wait. Like that. Bend the body. Remove the hand. Hand remove. Take the hand back. Okay, that's enough. Push the body down. Like that. Okay, that is Marichiyasana. Take 3 breaths in that position. Slow breathing. Then inhale, sit up, see, all breathing over. There is inhalation, exhalation. So this movement, bringing the hand in front, taking it like this. Try again. Then take it from the back. Catch it together. And exhale. Now while coming up, inhale fully. And exhale. Very samasthiti. देखो हाथ कहाँ चला गया. एल्बो सीधा करो. एल्बो शरीर का साइड में रखो. इधर रखो. और क्लोज. नजदीक. छाती ओपन करो. चेस्ट ओपन करो. Point your toes. Expand. That is called samasthiti. Shoulder open. Elbow straight. Knee straight. Point your toe. Ekam inhale. Fold your legs. Exhale, sit. Dhyana mudra. Inhaling. एक सांस हो गया. दो हो गया. तीसरा. Now exhale like that. Only this much. Elbow down. दोनों elbow down करो. नहीं हो रहा. बस जितना होता है करो. यहां पे एक इनहेल लीजिए. ना इनहेल का मतलब पीछे के देखने की जरूरत नहीं. अब एक्सेल करने का टाइम, put your head down. This is called Supta Vajrasana. Stay there inhaling. अगर हो सके तो put the shoulder down. Supta Vajrasana. Again inhale. Full breath. 2. One more breath. Inhale. Three. Now inhale using the elbow, sit up. Keep the knees together. Exhale, Vajra, Dhyana Mudra. Don't cross your leg. Ankle will pull. I know, your ankle will stretch. It will start paining. It's like that only. Initially, there will be some discomfort. Slowly, the ankles should stretch. It should become free. Not the knee, no? Ankle pain ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? You are not sitting straight only. First you have to sit straight. Now exhale, bend, go down, go back. Put the elbow down. Put both the elbow. Elbow. Down. Down. Elbow. ಎರಡು elbow. Idu. Elbow down. Paining. Somewhere paining, no? Where is paining? Ankle. Manukal pain ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. So initially, if there is pain, you can say like this, no problem. Like that. Or you can bend a little, try this much. Like that you stay. And slowly, you have to keep the elbow down. Elbow. Finger pointing forward. ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ. Because pain ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಧೀರೆ slowly, ನಿಧಾನ pain ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That time you try to keep the elbow down. Try to keep the elbow down. एक साइड में नहीं मत बैठिए, तो फिर आपको कमर में प्रॉब्लम आएगा. एक साइड में बैठेगा तो कमर में प्रॉब्लम आएगा. Okay, so that is, so ನಿಧಾನ first ಈ ತರ ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, then ನಿಧಾನ try to keep elbow, slowly elbow down, then slowly head down, then slowly shoulder down. Then last one, you have to stretch your hands also. Then only Supta Vajrasana comes. Okay, exhaling, hands down, inhale, sit up using the elbow. Supta Vajrasana. Supta means, Supta का मतलब है सोने का, मतलब सो जाना. Supta मतलब सो जाना. Vajrasan में सो जाना. Like that. Vajrasan में sleeping Vajrasan. Supta Vajrasana. Then, then inhale, sit one side. See, why I am waiting? Because inhale is not over. That awareness you have to get. What we do generally like this. So the breath is not in mind only. So you have to focus on breathing properly. Proper breathing is very important in yoga. Without proper breathing, you cannot practice. Time first priority breathing. First priority. Then only physical action. People उल्टा, सब लोग उल्टा सोचते हैं. पहले शरीर का बनाना है, फिर बाद में देखेंगे सांस का. ऐसा करते हैं. So you see, the tip of the toe will cross. That's all. The heel will be away and toes will be together in Vajrasana. Keep the toes together. Spread the heels. Heels को बाहर नहीं, घुटने को साथ में रखो. ಮಣುಕಾಲು ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಮಣುಕಾಲು ಸೇರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Heels will be away and toes will be together. वहां पे वो स्ट्रेच धीरे आएगा. वो तो टाइम लगता है. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಂದೋ ಒಂದು ನೋವಿದೆ. somewhere it is paining. ನೋವಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿದೆ. Now next is twisting asana, that is Bharadwaja asana, Samasthiti. Hath side mein, back straight, shoulder open, point your toe. First left leg will go to the left. Ekam, inhale, fold your legs to the left. Now see how I kept the leg? Like this. This toe pointing back. Up, ऊपर का जो पैर है. Correct ಇಲ್ಲ. Correct ಮಾಡಿ. Keep this leg out. Yes, sir. That is inhalation. On the exhalation, twist your body to the right side. So keep this plus sign ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಜಮೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. Now exhale, take your hands to the other side and twist. Like that. Other side. ಈ ಕೈ insert it below the knee. Below the knee. Full hand, back side, full hand touching the ground. Full hand, full palm. Start inhaling. Chest bulging. Exhale. 1, inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Twist maximum. Inhale, look forward, release the hands. Exhale, release the legs. Ekam inhale, other side. Do exhale. You saw that chest bulging? Chest bulging barbul. So it's not like this. Arch your back and push your chest back. Other hand below the knee, below the knee, below the knee. Correct. E kayo. Insert. And then chest out. Now inhale. Full breathing. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. One more last breath. Inhale. Push the ground. Exhale. Bulge ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕೈ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಕೈ ಈ ಕೈಯು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದು. Put it in below the knee and expand your chest. Rotate your body. Rotate. Back side ನೋಡಿ, back side. Back side. ಕಾಲು ತಪ್ಪು. Chest out. Look back. Twist your body like that. That is called Bharadwajasana. You have to understand the pulse of each asana. Inhale, look forward. Look forward. Release the hand. Kai release. Exhale, release both the legs forward. Smita, can you, if you are there, please say, please talk. Smita. He's not there. Huh? Suhas, Vedant, who is there?
Yeah, I'm there, Shiva. I had just put the video.
Did you observe that asana because you were confused in the morning? So first bending one leg like that, that's an inhalation. While exhaling, bring the hand in front, samne, bring it forward. Okay, that's an exhalation. Now inhale, take the hand back and take it with the other hand. You have to interlock your fingers at the back. On the exhalation, chin goes down. Like that. So it's a forward bending asana with the arm coming in front. So try to keep this armpit on the shin bone of that leg. So the armpit will come to the shin bone in this asana. That's an exhalation. Then taking the other hand from the back side, try to catch your fingers. It may not catch, no problem, just keep it away, no problem. Even if you're here, it's okay. And then try to bend, whatever possible. So try to bring the same side arm in front and take it backwards and catch. That is the asana, Marichi asana. Okay. Okay, that's over. Then we did 3 asanas. Last asana is in sitting asana, Purna Navasana. Purna means full. Nav means boat. Samasthiti. Point your toe. Finger wide open. Any time you keep the palm should be like this. Never keep finger like this. Damage. It will damage your wrist. Now, Ekam inhale, lift both the legs up 60 degree. 60 degree. Nodi, height nodi. El bandide. Mele, mele. Now exhale and keep the arm straight in front. Balance on the buttocks. Start inhaling. Arm should be parallel. Look at the toe. Kai separate, separate. Look at the toe. Inhale. Hand should cross the knee. Exhale. Palm facing together. Inhale. One more exhale. Exhale. 3. Now inhale, hand goes down. Leg will remain there. Exhale, leg down. Where is Samasthiti? Chest open. Open chest. So you are sitting like this. Chest has to come up. No, just open your shoulder also. Shoulder ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. Shoulder open ಮಾಡಿ. Shoulder chest open ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Roll your shoulder. Like that. Better. So what is that asana? Name of the asana? Purna Navasana. Common mistake I'll tell you. So some people keep this much only. Take it up. You should be crossing the, see, head level is here. Hand, leg level is there. Then only the hand will cross. Parallel. Try again. Lift both the legs up. Up. Almost 60 degree it will come. Little up. Little up. And now both the hands straight. Parallel to the floor. Up. Kai cross ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Your hand has to cross the leg. See, my hand is crossed. It is not here. It is not here. Crossed. Okay, inhale, hands down. Exhale, leg down. Okay, Purna Navasana. Any doubts in sitting asanas? We did?
No, sir.
Yeah, ask.
No doubt.
Then why are you telling? You go back to the mat. Why are you talking, saying, no doubt, sir? No doubt, keep quiet, no? You go back. Go back to mat. Go back to mat. Mat. Go backwards. He's telling no doubt, no doubt. If you doubt, then only you ask, okay? Ready. So all the sitting asana, no doubts, everybody. Then lying down asana. First is Sarvanga asana. So look at the technique. You have to push the ground and lift in the air. So how I am doing it, check the... You are not pushing the ground. That's the problem. You come here. Because others can also see, no? They will also learn. Because when I come to you, others cannot see. You can come here. You also come here. So, we can put anywhere. So that it comes in the camera. Little, it should come in the camera. Okay. So when so just sit. Sit first, observe how I am taking the leg in that Sarvangasana. Ekam is an inhalation. Arms over the head. Exhale, point your toes, keep the legs together. This is called Samasthiti. Now Ekam, inhale, both the legs up. Straight. Because see how the toes are pointed? Awareness. My awareness is there. I'm looking at the toe. While exhaling, hands down. Now, pushing this hand. You have to push this hand, take it a little back. Take your leg a little back. So from here, I'm not trying to lift from here. Take a little back, then lift it. So that. Pushing this hand. The Kai position is important. Don't try lifting from here. Take it little closer to the body. Ill bandu vittu, then roll up. Like that. Then only the hand will come. So what you are doing, from here you are inserting. It will not go. Your pressure is gone, no? You have to push this. Like that.
सीधा straight. Observe the breath. Then while exhaling, take down. Inhale, interlock. Exhale. Shoulder rotation. Nodi? Shoulder itarilla. Shoulder rotate. So that the shoulder has to come down. Shoulder will not be wide. It is not like this. Sarvangasana is not done with shoulders wide. Sarvangasana is done with shoulder rotated inward, like that. Okay, then inhale, come up. Exhale. See, I supported and came back. Got that? Then inhale, spread the arms. Exhale, bend the leg. Inhale, cross the left leg around the right thigh and below the calf muscles. See, I lock it below the calf muscles. So that locked it. So that then exhale and twist. That is called Supta Garudasana. Supta Garudasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Inhale, lock the other side. Lock, pull below the calf and exhale. Looking to the other hand. Then finish 3 breaths here. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Inhale, leg straight. Exhale, hand down. To Shavasana. Now show, both of you do practice Sarvangasana, show me on your own. Those who are in the online class, observe how they are doing. Tanmay, go back, no camera for you, go back, practice. First, right, okay. Do practice. अब नीचे आएगा सांस छोड़ने का. First, the leg has to come. Then exhale, put the hands down. Now inhale, lift up. Tali kada. Little more down. Now lift up. Push. Down, push mat. Push mat upward. Try. Point it upwards. Sonda practice ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Try ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Try to come with one force. Sit up, leg up, support. ಕೈ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಆ ಟೈಮ್. ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುಡ. ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಬರಬೇಕು. The moment you rise up, support your back. ಮೇಲಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. Support. No. See how many times you will take my help. Try again. Go down. No, you have to learn that first. Go down. You learn Sarvangasana first. Knee straight. Push the buttocks back. Interlock your finger. Interlock. Try. Try again. Try one more try. Go. Try again. Keep the elbow close. Okay, elbow just back. Don't spread your elbow. Shoot. Support. Once more. Last time. One more time. Come up and support it. Support. Elbow close. Elbow side over. Straight. ये लास्ट टाइम जो तो वापस आ जाओ सर्वांगासन. पहले उठाओ. Point your toe. Elbow closer. Knee straight. Point your toes. Chin and chest have to touch. Then slowly come down. Exhale, bring the hips down. Slowly. Inhale, half side. Exhale, don't bend your knee. Utna bend. Now continue. Keep it on the ground, mat. Now wrap your left leg over the right thigh. Left leg over the right thigh. Virudasana. Lock it below the calf. इसको बेंड करो, इसको बेंड करो, इसको बेंड करो. हाँ, this way work. Use that, just shift that. So how is it? Come back. Make mate, return. Nita, आकरेला, खुद पकड़ कर. Lie down. Lie down, madam, lie down. No, down full. Bend your legs. Keep your head straight. Now, keep the left leg over the right thigh. Lock it below calf. Exhale, twist your body. Look that side. Right there, twist. Hand straight. Now stay there. After 3 breaths, come to center position. Inhale, come back to center. Unlock illa. Only come back to center. Center bend. Down, curl down. Exhale, unlock the leg. Unlock ಮಾಡಿ. Unlock. Lock, release ಮಾಡಿ. Lock the other side now. Inhale, lock the other side. Below. That's all. Exhale, opposite side. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Shoulder down. Shoulder. Stay there for some time. Tanmay, which asana you are doing? You are simply sitting without doing anything. Practice, man. Show me Chakrasana. What is the point in sitting simply without doing anything? You are sitting without straightening the back also. Show me Chakrasana. You practice Chakrasana for the next 10 minutes. And try to do it Chakrasana properly. Okay, now inhale, come back, center position. Inhalation. Sound ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Exhale, unlock ಮಾಡಿ. Inhale, 2 ಕಾಲು straight ಮಾಡಿ. Exhale, hands down. Now inhale, insert the arms below the buttocks. Elbow below the body. Where is elbow? Elbow below. Where is elbow? और नीचे अंदर. दोनों elbow नीचे जाएगा. पूरा नीचे. दोनों साथ में, पैर साथ में. Now inhale, upper body lift. Full lift. Full. Elbow ಮೇಲೆ full lift. इनो lift. पूरा उठाओ. Exhale, only head डालो नीचे. Only head. Like that. Matsyasana. Then start inhaling. Exhaling. 1, inhaling. Exhaling. Bindi ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. 1 more breath. Inhaling. Exhale. 3. Now inhale, head up. Look at the toe. ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Full ಮೇಲೆ. Exhale, lie down. Then inhale, remove the hands. And then exhale, Shavasana. Now inhale, arms over the head. Exhale, point your toes. Legs together. Inhale, bend your legs. Keep them away from each other. Agala. Exhale, keep your hands by the ears. Okay. Now inhale, lift up, Chakrasana. Fully lift up. Exhale. Inhale. 1 breath. Exhale. Inhale. 1 more breath. Exhale. Look at your eyebrow. Inhale.
3. Exhale, come down. Inhale, leg straight. Exhale, hands down. Namadi, chakras, Namadi. Show me chakras. Bend your legs away. Keep your hands in position. Wait. Push. Now full lift up, full lift. Aitu. Bandide. Full hand straight marbodu. Push. Elbow wide illa. Elbows correct. Elbow close. Now lift up. Try. Push. Okay, one more time. Come up. Rise up. Lift up. Kai mele press. 1, stay. 2, stay there. 3, tale down. 4, 5, exhale, come down. And now try again, lift up like that. Take 2 or 3 breaths. Then, Pavana Muktasana. Take 2 or 3 breaths first. while relaxing के टाइम में आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. नॉर्मल ब्रीथ होता है रिलैक्सिंग टाइम. आसन स्टार्ट हो गया तो आवाज आना चाहिए. Now, Pavana Muktasana. Keep your legs together, hands close to the body. Ekam, inhale, bend the legs. And interlock your fingers. Inhale. देखो मेरा आवाज आया, आपका आया नहीं. Exhale, chin on the knee. Now start inhale. Relax the head a little. Exhale. Catch, full elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale, head down. Exhale, release. Inhale, turn to left side. Exhale, support your hand with the head. Anantasana. Now inhale, take the right leg up, catch the toe with your right hand. Now start exhaling. Now inhale, look at the side wall. Leg straight. Exhale. Inhale, lateral balance. One more. Exhale. Inhale. Now, exhale, hand down, leg down. Wait. Little more stretch. Others, wait there. Wait. And this toe pointed. I like us to stretch like that. Exhale, hand down, leg down. Inhale, turn to the other side. Turn to the other side. Exhale, support your hand. Now, inhale, leg up. Start exhaling. Side wall nodi. Inhale. Side wall nodbeku. Exhale. Inhale. One more. Exhale. Full inhale. Good. Exhale, hand down, leg down. Take one inhalation here. Wait. Exhale, lay down on the stomach. How is the leg? Correct. पैर कैसे रखेगा? नहीं. पैर बाहर की तरफ. heel अंदर. After some time, inhale, stretch your arms first in front. एक्सेल दोनों पैर साथ में रखिएगा. Inhale, bend both the legs upward. दोनों पैर ऊपर की तरफ. Exhale, catch your ankle. घुटना बाहर रखिए, घुटना दूर में रखिए. घुटना इधर मणुकल अगला 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 बरगे. Now inhale, lift your chest and thigh. Dhanurasana. Look at the eyebrow. 1. 2. उठाओ. 3. और उठाओ. 4. Inhale, chin up. 5. Exhale down. Inhale, fold your hands, Makarasana. Now then relax. Now normal breathing there. But Tanmay, simply standing and go practice. Where is Chakrasana? You did Chakrasana. Where is it? Show me Chakrasana. Show me. Where is Chakrasana? You did not practice. Simply standing not enough. You have to practice again. Show where is Chakrasana? I cannot see. You are simply standing. You try again. Show me. Another 10 minutes you have. In 10 minutes you have to learn Chakrasana and tell me. Show me. You are not lifting. You have to lift. You have to lift fully in the air. Pura. No. Full lift. Now come standing position. Inhale, stand up on the knees. Exhale, turn around. Inhale, keep the knees together. Seri. And exhale, sleeping toe. Now inhale, take the left leg front. Exhale, push the left leg forward. और थोड़ा. Start inhaling. Back straight. Exhale. Back straight ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Inhale, ಕೈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ back. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Exhale. Use 2 bricks. 2 brick रखो ऐसे. इधर और इधर. उस पे हाथ उस पे डालो. Now push this leg forward. Like that. 2 brick रखो. करेक्ट. इन्नु ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ स्ट्रेच, इन्नु ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ पुश. हनुमानासना. और आगे आएगा. ये बाहर रखना चाहिए. Okay. If it is stretching too much, stop. Okay, now inhale, walk back. Center में लेके आओ, center. Exhale, back to cat position. Keep the brick there only. Brick में लगाइए. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, push it. Back straight. Start inhaling. Exhale, little more push. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, full split. Okay, now inhale, walk back. Exhale, cat position. Again, inhale here. Exhale, balasana. Normal breathing. Now inhale, sit up. Come to sitting Vajrasana position. And exhale. Okay, relax. Come back. Put. What is the time? 41. Anybody, any other doubts? We got only 2-3 minutes. Tanmaya, you did Chakrasana?
I tried. I'm not able to lift up.
You try again. Try again. Show me. Again try. Take it as a challenge today or within 2-3 days or 2-3 weeks. You should do it like that. Take the help of your parents and all. How to lift. Okay, Tanmay. Take your help of your parents and learn it. Every day practice. Every day. Every day practice, practice. Don't show thumbs up and all. Thumbs up not required.
Okay, sir.
We'll do always thumbs up. Eh? You will not do asana, only thumbs up only. See, thumbs up came. Thumbs up came. Okay, then any other doubt? Any other? No doubt. Ella clear ಆಯ್ತು.
Sir, when you will get out? No, when you are practicing, only you will get out.
Then Bastrika finger idara. Chest breathing. Chest has to come up. Nodi, that is Bastrika. Sharir, don't boom body. Don't do like that. Only chest. So, correct. Throat sound illa. गले से आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. What is that? Your chest has to increase little more. Prasad. Better. Chest has to come. Okay, relax. I think we have to complete already 5:45. Okay, because class is there now. Okay, so closing prayer. So Samasthiti, inhale, take your hands up, exhale to Namaskar Mudra. Kannu close, so inhale again. Together. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bow down. Thank God for today's practice. Come back. Thank you. Namaste.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. You're attending 5:45 class. Continue, Mataya. No attending, no problem. As per your wish. If you're attending, please continue. Continue the class. Continue, Madi. Time is 5:45 class. Jana hai. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 6 o'clock 7:15 both class.
Sir, offline classes ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 hour extra ಮಾಡಿ sir, evening time sir.
Those who came online, thank you for joining. Keep joining more and more class. Those people who attended online classes. Where is that recording stop?